3 Weather Lab. Here's Daniel's True View forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, we've had a pretty active day today. A lot of unsettled showers out there. I think a little bit more of that on tap coming up here over the next couple of days. Not really a major defining weather pattern, and this time of year means we just get a little bit more of the same. So be ready for more in the way of those scattered showers and thunderstorms kind of popping up here or there. Let's get to the satellite and radar picture out across the Gulf Coast. This is what we saw today. A little bit of a warm front pushed its way northwards today, sparks a lot of those showers and those thunderstorms. Those have now pushed their way up over towards the north. You've got high pressure sitting well out over towards the west, but far enough away that it doesn't have a major impact on our forecast. So that just kind of leaves a little bit of an opening for more of those showers to kind of roll on through here over the next couple of days. Things are winding down right now. You still have some showers well to the north of us, looking northwards up over through Rapides Parish with some meandering showers and thunderstorms through there, and even one or two that are still down here through parts of Acadiana. We're dealing with some showers now that are out over through West Acadia Parish. This is going to be just outside of Jennings, but you are going to see some heavy weather up along Highway 90, stretching southwards towards Morrison, then all the way through down towards Gaydon, producing a little bit of lightning, going to get some thunder with those systems as well. And then another one down towards Kaplan, which is producing a little bit of weather right here. And this is fairly stationary. It hasn't moved a whole lot in the last 30 minutes. It does look like it's starting to rain itself out, though. So if you are in the Kaplan area, you've been dealing with a lot of these showers. Don't worry, this will start to wind down here fairly soon as we continue to go through the rest of the evening. In fact, once the sun sets tonight, we're really going to start to see everything kind of collapse. Without the heat, these storms don't have a whole lot to tap into, but we are going to get another round of that coming up for tomorrow. So let's run through Futurecast here. We can take this all the way up into Monday. We are going to get some showers that kind of sweep on through the area coming up on Tuesday. And I think Tuesday actually going to be one of the more active days that we end up seeing. We'll get a big bump of moisture to work its way through on Tuesday. And as a result, I think you're going to see those rain chances kind of spike up. Temperature-wise, we're going to be sitting in the upper 70s through the night tonight. By tomorrow morning, you're looking at a pretty similar start to the day. Mid-70s, going to be warm, going to be muggy. Had all that rainfall today. It saw a lot of that moisture kind of get dumped on the ground there, so that's going to impact things going forward into tomorrow. A warm, muggy start to the day, and by the time we get to the afternoon, we should see temperatures get into the upper 80s. Now, this is lunchtime. This is when we'll start to see some of those clouds kind of taking shape, maybe some showers starting to pop up, especially down along the coastline where they'll get going a little bit earlier. As you can see on the feel like temperature there, 98 degrees, in fact, for your heat index. And that's what we're going to see through the day tomorrow. So very similar to today, the thermometer may not look overly impressive, but it will be hot. It will be very humid. The heat index, again, going to be sitting just shy of about the century mark. 81 degrees for your current temperature on 6 o'clock Sunday evening. We'll stay in the 80s and then the mid-70s, looking pretty familiar, pretty similar looking all the way through, not just tomorrow, but all the way through into the beginning of the work week as well. You don't get a whole lot of change. This takes us up to Monday afternoon. You're still dealing with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. You're still dealing with a heat index sitting in the mid-90s, about 94 degrees, and that's what it will be like for Monday's commute. So not a whole lot of change here over the next couple of days. 73 degrees for your overnight low tonight. Showers are slowly going to end. We'll call it a 10% chance of rain. A lot of that is going to be overnight. Of course, we have the showers that are ongoing right now. Those will wind down, though, pretty much as soon as the sun sets. So quiet after sunset, warm and muggy otherwise, nearly calm conditions area-wide. We won't get a whole lot of activity out there. And then for tomorrow, 89 degrees for your high. Again, the heat index will probably be closer to about 100. Winds from the south at 5 to 10 miles an hour. We've got a quick look here at your 5-day forecast, which is going to pretty much go from one forecast into the next. You're not going to get a whole lot of difference. Again, a quick spike in those rain chances on Tuesday. And looking ahead into next week, you've got temperatures in the lower 90s, isolated rain chances as we roll through the end of July and into the first week of August.